Ever wondered what it's really like? To be out there, floating in the silent abyss of space? Astronauts always look so calm and collected on TV, but the stories they bring back, some of them will haunt you. Let's start with the silence. One astronaut described space as terrifyingly quiet. Imagine stepping outside a spacecraft. The only sound you hear is your own breath, the thumping of your heart inside the helmet. There's no air, no wind, just a void so deep it makes you feel like you're the last person in the universe. But silence isn't the only thing that messes with you. Astronauts confess to experiencing the overview effect. It's the realization that Earth is just a tiny blue marble, floating alone in a dark, endless sea. They say it changes you. Some come home feeling connected to everyone, connected to everything. Others say it left them feeling incredibly small and absolutely terrified. There's the story of Chris Hadfield. He was doing a spacewalk when his eyes suddenly started burning. He couldn't see. Imagine that. Lost your vision, dangling hundreds of miles above Earth, nothing but a thin suit between you and oblivion. Turns out it was just anti-fog solution. But for a few heart-stopping minutes, Chris thought he was done for. And then, there's the mysterious knocking. Some astronauts reported unexplained rapping or tapping on their spacecraft. No one's ever figured out what causes it. Is it the ship expanding or contracting or something else out there in the darkness? Even sleeping isn't safe. Astronauts confess to vivid, almost paranormal dreams. Bright lights, strange presences. The feeling that someone or something is watching them from the void. Imagine waking up and not being sure if you're alone. But the scariest confession? They all agree on one thing. Space changes you. Once you've looked out into that black, endless ocean, Earth never feels the same again. So the next time you see a smiling astronaut, remember, behind that grin is someone who stared into the abyss and made it back to tell the tale.